You know, yesterday was, of course, another ugly day in the crypto market. I'm sure you guys are tired of it. I know I am. Believe it or not, it was actually the third largest liquidation day in crypto history. But yet, despite that, we have actually bounced back in a big way. SHIB has actually returned back to prices it was seeing yesterday morning. Pretty much everything throughout the space has. Yesterday actually really was not that bad for SHIB, which we will talk about in this video. But during this time where this took place, we did actually see a couple things we were waiting for happen, which is very promising. We'll discuss all that and more in this video. So if you guys are new or haven't already, show your support for the channel down below. Hit that subscribe button, that bell. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So here's what I will say is SHIB did not have as bad of a day yesterday as other assets did. We actually closed down 3.7%. Many other assets were 5 to 10% down. Even at the basically the extent of SHIB's drop, it was only down 8.2%, which was a modest day compared to other things. So what you're seeing now is SHIB currently is so low that you're sitting on such strong support, it's very difficult to move to the downside. I'm not saying it can't, but you're getting into this zone where basically people are just gobbling up supply. It's going away very, very quickly. And eventually, well, we've talked about many times what tends to happen. We just need, obviously, this confidence to set back in the crypto market. Right now, we're at a 20. We're at the fearful range. We're right on the edge of the extreme fear. We haven't seen this since all the way back in April of last year. I'm sorry, April of this year. Now, coincidentally enough, if you guys remember April of this year, what was it? It was our bottom. It was our moment that we actually started to go on a nice sizable rally across the crypto market. For example, take a look back here, April 10th. This is when SHIB actually ran from basically 40104 all the way up to 4017. Now, I'm not saying that that's an awesome rally. To be fair, that is like 70%. It is 70%. But I'd love to see a 70% rally out of here. But again, you're just waiting for everybody to chill the hell out and just relax. Now, we did get some good overnight news. If you guys missed my ADA video, China's actually pulled back their tariffs even further. They've decided to actually extend that out for a year, which is a very promising sign. And like I also mentioned in my earlier video, there's a big announcement that's going to come today from the Supreme Court on whether Trump can continue to do tariffs or not. And we'll see what the result of that is, see how the market reacts. But I will say during this time, we actually have had a couple important things take place. SHIB futures, so open interest in terms of Shiba Inu, has actually gotten down to the lowest level we have seen since all the way back in December of 2024. So that's been a very promising sign. Again, what we've seen a lot of is people using less and less and less leverage. And now because prices have gotten so low again, start to accumulate on the spot side. That's perfect, right? That's what we need to see because we've had such violent crash outs in the market due to leverage. We have also seen this SHIB ETH pairing start to make that move like we were talking about. We were setting in, again, that strong floor versus Ethereum. We've finally breached this 20-day moving average. Now, this isn't a confirmed breach or anything like that. We've seen this happen before where it gets above here and it doesn't really do a whole lot. And we're sitting right on the edge of that 50-day. We got to break this 50-day and start to make a move towards our 100-day. That's a very, very strong sign. We've tried to fight these before. And when we start breaching that, that's when these extended rallies usually commence. So we'll see if that's going to be the case or not. Something I wanted to point out here as well is BTC dominance. Although it did get that breach of 61% to the upside, it's gotten erased. We're at 60.72%. Last time we had a breach out of structure like this, we actually returned all the way to the bottom of it. So that would actually be BTC dominance down at about 59.5%, which means that altcoins probably are going on some nice runs during that time. Not going to say that's the case for sure, but we sit kind of in a comfortable spot in the crypto market. It's not euphoria. It's not exciting, right? It kind of sucks, frankly, to see prices as low as they are. Unfortunately, we just got to roll with what's going on in the crypto market. We don't really have a choice, but everything right now has gotten to a range where it's so oversold that you may in fact start to see some of that money that was hesitant to re-enter the crypto market start moving back in. BTC holding structure at 100K was really, really important. Nice bounce back. We'll see if that attacks the top of its trend, but market just needs to calm the hell down. All right. That's basically the biggest thing we need. We need to stop overreacting and just let spot volume take over. So I appreciate you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below. Do you think that we've reached the floor? Do you think that this is the moment where SHIB and other assets can start to make some more significant rallies? But have a great day. Show your love below. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.